Alright, Interceptor King here. So anyways, I got this vehicle. I'm taking all the sticky adhesive off of it, and I use these eraser wheels. So I thought I was ordering the exact same eraser wheels and I was getting a good deal on them because I got like 9 of them at a time. But anyways, this orange one is total shit. These are the ones you want. They're more of like a yellow color. I thought I was ordering the exact same thing. It's like a knockoff of this. It looks exactly the same, except for this is oranger, okay? So these orange ones are shit compared to the legit ones that I thought I was buying. But anyway, so the legit one, when you do it, it leaves this dust and the dust just comes right off. See that? Took all the sticky adhesive off. So anyways, that was with the legit one. Thought I was buying the exact same thing and it looks exactly the same. And then I get these orange shitty ones and then you do it and it leaves all this crap. So basically I have to go back over all this with some adhesive removal and wipe it all off, which creates twice the labor. You rub it all off and then you got to go back over with adhesive removal and give that all off. Where this one, you do it one time with the legit one. So I'm not going to say what company this is, but their stuff is crap right here. It looks just like this one. The one that does this when you do it. And look at that. Nice when you're all done. See that? Took all that stuff off with the good one. Okay, this crappy ass one, you do it and it just smears it over, which means you have to go back over it with adhesive removal. So if you buy any of these eraser wheels, make sure you get the one that's more like yellow. It's more of like a rubbery thing. This is some knockoff crap brand that looks exactly identical except for the color. And this is the one you want right here, which it's pretty worn down now. So anyways, thought I was buying the same thing, ordered a bunch of them. It's more of an orange color. Leaves this crap all over your car, so you have to go back over it again with adhesive removal to do it. Double the trouble. This one right here, look at that. I used the crappy one right here too, because I ran out, once these get small, they're a pain in the butt to remove stuff. But look at that, that's the nice one. Just leaves the dust that you just gotta rub right off. So anyways, bought like 15 of these thinking they were these, and it's crap. So look out for the orange ones. Get the like yellowish colored ones that are more yellow. And then you don't have to go back over with adhesive removal after you think you're already doing what needs to be done. So anyways, that's my review on adhesive removal. These orange ones, crap. Yellow ones, good. Interceptor King, you guys take it easy.